Hi, welcome to Cafe Di Loro's Kitchen. Tonight we are going to grill a salmon with balsamic avocado, and this is very easy to make. We need to prepare salmon. It's already rinsed it off, and then we have a diced shallot, minced garlic. We also have a fresh basil. We have diced Roma tomatoes, avocado, and we are also gonna use extra virgin garlic oil, balsamic glaze, salt, and pepper to taste. Let's start it. So first, what we're gonna do, we are also going to season our salmon. First, salt, and then black pepper. After I put some black pepper, we are going to rub some extra virgin oil. Extra virgin olive garlic oil. So next we are going to put some garlic flavored extra virgin olive oil, just very little, just rub it like that, so when we grill them they won't get dry and they get some more flavor as well from the garlic flavor. Okay, now flip them over. Okay, and then we're gonna put some more salt. Okay, put some salt. Put them over again. We don't need to put black pepper on the skin. Okay, so now they are ready to grill. Okay, so in this bowl we're just gonna add all our ingredients here. We don't have to put all of this diced shallot. Okay, the minced garlic, the basil, the Roma tomatoes, avocado, and then add a little bit of the garlic flavored olive oil, some black pepper, some salt, and last is our balsamic glaze. Pretty easy. Okay, and if you guys want something kind of a little bit of spicy, you guys can add a red pepper flakes. Here you go. Just mix all of it. Smells very nice. Let's add a little bit more of balsamic glaze and some olive oil again. There you go. So this is gonna be for our toppings. So now let's going to grill our salmon. Okay, there you go. Here is my avocado balsamic. Here we go. Here is our avocado balsamic toppings. Very smells delicious. So now we are going to grill our salmon. Oh my god, smoking. Okay, going to put them now. They're not easy to cook them because of the oil that we put. Hey! Oh well then. So now we are going to put over them, and then let them grill for about like 2 to 3 minutes, and then flip them over again. But it depends to the slice of the salmon that you guys got. Okay, these ones are pretty big, so they're kind of about like 3 minutes each sides. Okay, let me just cover it. Okay, so now let's just flip them over. Oh, look at that. Oh no. Ay, ay, ay. I messed that up. Ooh. I wanna, okay, this up this skin. That's fine then. Okay, so after 3 minutes again, and then we're gonna put them in the tray and put the toppings and stuff ready to serve. So okay, after the 3 minutes, they're done. We are going to put them now in our tray. Look at it, how fatty it is. Oh man, I don't want to burn. Oh no, it's not easy. Ah. Okay. Woo. I messed up this one. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Please like and subscribe.